Welcome guys, so I will be training you on how to build your portfolio or a website without coding, without buying a domain. Okay, on this website you can see the URL. This is striking. You can build your portfolio with this website. You can build your website with this website also, and this is preferable for those who want to have their portfolio without buying a domain name, a custom domain name, or without paying for anything. You can build your custom website portfolio with this website. So let's get into this. Just get started, just fill in the details. Fill in your details, then create a password. I want to use my password, choose your own. Let's get started. Okay, so generate a site instantly. So I want to use KCWEB Tech. Describe your business in a sentence or two. Web designer. So you can use yours. So I'm just doing this so you can see what I'm doing, guys. Okay, let's see the advanced setting, which they have tone of voice, multiple page sites, no logo, upload my own logo. If you want to upload your logo, you upload your logo. If you want site format, multiple page site, single page site, so you can do that, but I will go with this because they have a already template which we can use. So let's confirm and generate. So I'm to confirm that I'm a human. Tricycle. Traffic lights. Okay, traffic lights. Okay, so allow you to confirm and generate and see what we will be having. Analyzing my business. So it's analyzing my business because I already told him this is what I'm into, web design. So you can see KCWEB Tech, professional web design for your business. So you can see it's creating everything for me: home, about, service, contact, blog. You can see how you have designed a professional looking website for me. You can see it. You can see without me not inputting anything, this website have done justice to it. You can see the about us. You can see the about us. So you can see our service. You can see contact us. You can see the blog. So guys, you can as well change anything which you want to change. Okay, so you can, so let's see if it's mobile friendly, mobile responsive, and let's see our mobile here. You can see this KCWEB Tech. You can see how it is responsive in our mobile mode. So you can see, guys, so it's in a mobile mode. You can see how beautiful this website is. You can see how beautiful it is. Let's go to my about us. So this website can create a portfolio for me. You guys can use this to create a portfolio for yourself. Okay, let me take it to tab so you can see. So you will see this, how beautiful this website is, without me not designing anything, just giving him the details he's asking for, and he have done justice to that. So let's see if, let's take it to our laptop and desktop. So let's see, let's confirm and go to edit. So you can as well edit anything you want to edit. If you want to change the image or you want to change some text, you can do that on your own. So let's say I want to change this text now, so I can just highlight this. So I can just highlight this and will change whatsoever I want to change. Or if I want to change the image, okay, so let's see, if I want to change this image, I can just click on this replace or remove. It's better to put replace. If I want to add video, I can just put video and put the link here since it's an image. So if I want to change this text or add to this text, just click inside because I'm already on the editor mode. We craft unique, professional looking websites. You can see, guys, so you can do anything which you want to do. If you want to change it, you can edit. Save that. We have saved that. You can edit if you want to edit. Replace. After you have replaced it, you just click on save. Enhance your online visibility with website built with our best SEO practice to attract more visitors. If you want to add text, let's say KCWEB tech is at your service. That is just it. Okay, so anything which you want to do, guys, so you can just do that. You can do that. You can see. So we are already done in this home page. If you want to do your about us, you can go to your about us and do whatsoever edit which you want to edit. So you can see, guys, that you can actually use this to create a portfolio for those who are new in tech. If you just started in tech without you know buying any domain, you can use this to create a portfolio for other persons to see. And if you see, they say add my logo, I can add my logo here. Generate. Let me upload. Let me browse for my computer. Let me add my logo. Boom. So you can see my logo is already there. Okay, so guys, I would love you, so make use of this instead of what give yourself headache purchasing domain. For those who can't purchase domain now, you can use it to get your portfolio and see to it. So after doing much of your editing and rearranging, you can just come here and what click on publish. Now you can see it says premier feature in use. This site is currently using the following premier features: Pro Section, Pro Upgrade. Just say publish as a free site. Click on publish as a free site. Free strictly. This is what the website, your custom domain name. If you want to have a custom domain name, good and fine. Just click on next. Title is KCWEB Tech. This is the URL. Okay, this is the URL. Just click publish now. Guys, you can see my website is published. Now let me copy the URL. I want to copy this URL, and I come to a note tab, paste the URL, enter. So you can see that my website is live. So guys, you can see that the website is live. Let me scroll down. You can see the same website which we have. You can see it. Guys, make use of this. It will give you enough and enough benefits. You can see our about us, our services, contact, and our blog. So guys, you can make use of this. Okay. Okay, let's see. Everything is in contact. Let's see. You can see Everything is responsive. You can see the contact us here. Okay, everything is responsive. You can change your address. Okay, change your address, change your phone number. Remember, this is just what our demo for illustration and for our training. So thank you guys for staying till. Please make sure you share this video for those who will be interested to make use of these websites to have their portfolio on it. So thank you guys for staying tuned. Please subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, comment, and we'll be right there to respond to you. Please continue commenting and continue sharing and continue subscribing to our channel. That will give us a long run to be doing more and engaging with you guys. So thank you guys for KCWEB Tech Center. We love you guys.